Hello vlog, welcome to my channel Chef TV tutorial. For today's vlog guys, I teach you how pano magpapoy sa kawali. Okay, show me right now. Maglagay ng kunting butter sa kawali. Pagkatapos ilagay sa medium-high ang apoy. Kumuha ng one serve na penne pasta. Half cook na po itiyo ibabad mo lang sa mainit na tubig. At this time, the pan is now too much heat. Let's see the fire in the pan. I put sliced black olives. Watch me wee, watch me woo. Well, oh my god, that's true. And now put little bit garlic. Slow the fire, put little bit butter.
And put a spoon of red sauce.
Continue to stir. Put on the pan penne pasta. While galing naman. Put little bit Parmesan cheese. Stir. It's done, close fire. And now plating. Here where you put that, wash it. Put little bit Parmesan cheese on the top. Wow, yummy. Thank you for watching guys, see you for the next one.